Attorney General Tan Sri Idrus Harun said the lead prosecutor in the graft trial of Datuk Sri Dr. Ahmad Zahid Hamidi, Datuk Raja Rozela Rajatoran, has opted for early retirement. In a statement, Idrus said Raja Rozela had put in her request as far back as April 3rd this year and asked to be placed on leave from August 30th onwards before her actual retirement date of November 1st. Idrus said Deputy Public Prosecutor Datuk Muhammad Dusuki Mokhtar will take over as lead prosecutor in Zahid's Yayasan Akal Budi trial, which is in the defence portion of the case. Muhammad Dusuki is also the head of the Appellate and Trial Division at the Attorney General's Chambers, which handles the Federal Court and Courts of Appeal, as well as high-profile cases, including the Sulu terrorist incursion in Lahad Datu, Sabah. Raja Rozela was instrumental in leading the prosecution in securing a prima facie case against Zahid's 47 charges, which led to the UMNO president being ordered to enter his defence against the charges involving the misappropriation of 31 million ringgit from Yayasan Akal Budi, a charity foundation he set up. Nine Malaysian firms have been named as part of Forbes Asia's coverage of Best Under a Billion 2023, which highlights 200 Asia-Pacific public companies with less than $1 billion or 4.57 billion ringgit in revenue and consistent top and bottom line growth. The Malaysian companies that made the cut are Frontcan Corp, Great Tech Technology, Harbour Link Group, Kim Loong Resources Corp, QES Group, Saicom MSC, Tongguan Industries, Uchi Technologies and Retracts Corp. Forbes Asia said the 200 firms on this year's list outperformed despite global headwinds like inflation and rising funding costs. The standouts are mainly in chip-making and related industries. Other top performers include companies delivering IT solutions that underpin the digital transformation of healthcare, logistics and manufacturing and other industries. Meanwhile, businesses that rely on consumer spending, such as restaurants, entertainment and sports, continued to see an uptick in sales as COVID-19 restrictions faded away. KLCC Property Holdings, or KLCCP, has denied it is bidding for a stake in ICD Brookfield Place, a 900-foot-tall office tower in the heart of Dubai's financial district. It was responding to a Bloomberg report last Wednesday, quoting people with knowledge of the matter, that KLCCP, along with China Investment Corp, are among potential bidders for a stake in the office tower. Bloomberg reported that ICD Brookfield Place's owners, Brookfield Asset Management and State-Owned Investment Corp of Dubai, may sell a stake of as much as 49% in the 54-story office tower, whose tenants include JP Morgan Chase & Co. and Bank of America Corp. In a filing with Bursa Malaysia today, KLCCP said it wished to deny the speculation and said it is not a potential bidder as reported. At the close, KLCCP saw its units trade unchanged at 6.77 ringgit, giving the stapled security a market value of 12.2 billion ringgit. Malaysia Smelting Corp, or MSC, registered a net profit of 28.45 million ringgit in the second quarter of FY 2023, a 27.89% fall from a year prior due to lower profit from its tin mining segment. The tin miner and metal producer recorded a lower average tin price of 116,500 ringgit per metric ton in the period under review, versus 158,900 ringgit per metric ton in the same period last year, despite higher sales quantity of refined tin, its filing showed. This dragged MSC's revenue lower by 20% to 327.01 million ringgit. No dividend was declared for the quarter. Moving forward, MSC said that it remains cautious and continues to focus on operational efficiencies and improvements on all areas of operations, technology, manpower and logistics in its smelting and mining business segments. Shares in MSC closed down 2.6% to 2.26 ringgit today, giving the group a market capitalization of 949.2 million ringgit. Pestech International Executive Director Lim Peir Shenq has retracted his resignation letter after handing it in on the same day. In a Bursa Malaysia filing today, Pestech said Peir Shenq did so late evening yesterday but did not explain his change of heart. In a prior filing, the integrated electric power technology company announced that Peir Shenq decided to step down effective yesterday to pursue other interests. The 38-year-old is the son of Lim Ahok, the group's executive chairman, and the cousin of Paul Lim Peir Shenq, Pestech's managing director and group chief executive officer. Both Ahok and Peir Shenq are Pestech's biggest shareholders. Last month, the pair was freed of all charges against them involving the misappropriation of 10.6 million ringgit in relation to Pestech Technology, a unit of Pestech. At the close, shares of Pestech were down 1.6% at 30 sen, valuing the group at 297.7 million ringgit.